Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're making a cat flying game on the scratch. Let's create it. First of all, we choose a backdrop, blue sky. Delete this sprite. Choose character, cat flying, cat flying. When green flag pressed, forever. Go to X minus 174 by 53. If then up arrow pressed, key up pressed, up arrow pressed, change switch costume, cat flying B, change Y by 5. Let's test it. This is working. Duplicate, down arrow pressed, cat flying A minus 5. Duplicate again, change X by 5, right arrow pressed, change X by minus 5, down arrow, left arrow pressed. Let's test it. Switch costume, cat flying A, when green flag pressed, cat flying A. This is working. We choose sprite tree, T-R-E-E. Tree. Set size to 60. When green flag pressed, go to X 174. Go to X 174 Y minus 109 forever. Change X by minus 5. Change X by minus 5. If then greater than minus 240, X position, go to X 240 minus 109. This is working. We choose sprite clouds. When green flag pressed, go to one 43 Y 144. forever if then greater than minus 2 for t exposition exposition go to x 240 149 it is not working 147 149 oh my god, one mistake here. Change xy minus 5. It is working. Choose Sprite. Choose Sprite. Bread. Oh my god, here is bread. Then green flag pressed. Duplicate this. Again duplicate this. Again duplicate. Again duplicate. Again duplicate. Again duplicate. Again duplicate. When green flag pressed, forever. Next costume. Wait 2 seconds with 0.1. This is right. When green flag pressed, hide. Wait 2 seconds. Show. Forever. Change xy minus 5. If then greater than minus 240 minus 240 exposition X position, go to X minus 240, go to X 45, 75. When green flag pressed, if then touching cat flying, or I was sorry. Touching cat flying, hide. Hide not, duplicate it, 247. Make variable score. Score. Okay. Set score by 0. Set score by 0. Set score by 0. Change score. Why this almost not working? Oh my god. I'll test it again. It is working. Make sprite game over. Game over. In pixel. Game over. When green flag pressed, oh my god, when green flag pressed forever, if then touching everyone broadcast message game over. When I receive game over forever, show stop all. When green flag pressed, hide. Let's test it how it is working. When my player touch 3 out this. Thank you for watching.